Everyone, today's review is going to be over Golden Platter Organic Fully Cooked Chicken Nuggets. Breaded organic chicken breast nuggets, no antibiotics used ever. So, I actually didn't order this item. I ordered a different chicken nuggets, but Costco ran out at the time, and InstaCart replaced my order with these. These are actually quite a bit pricey compared to what I normally get. So this bag retails for $13.29 on the Costco Instacart website. But yeah, and it's 32 ounces, so that comes out to about 6.5 pounds per bag. It's not that pricey, but it is more than what I normally get. Plus, I usually avoid organic labeled stuff because they're usually more expensive for no real good reason, in my personal opinion. Because if you've taken organic chemistry or some science classes, you understand that organic just technically means contains carbon, sort of, right? But yeah, let's see. Let's move on from that. Cooking instructions: heat to 425 and bake for 11 minutes. Turn nuggets halfway through heating time. And then there's also microwave options, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so each container has 10 servings, 5 nuggets per serving, so about 1,600 calories. So I'll probably eat this whole bag in a day. Let's see, 25 nuggets per serving. Yeah, so 25 for lunch, 25 for dinner, and then several other things for snacks to bring that up to a little bit over 2,000 calories. The bad thing about doing that is there is a lot of salt here, a lot of sodium, but not as much as other nuggets, from what I feel. Because I've had, they actually replaced 2 bags of these, so I had 2 bags of these, and I tried the bag before, and it wasn't as salty as other nuggets that I've had. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get out some foil, place the nuggets out, and then we'll take a look at how they seem while frozen, pre-cooked. Alright, here they are, 25 nuggets, 5 servings, so half of the bag. Well, probably a little bit more than half. The last bag had, I think, 48 nuggets in total, so a little bit less than 10 full servings, but that's alright. So these nuggets are actually a little bit smaller and a little bit brighter than the other nuggets that I've had. Just probably different ingredients, you know? Every company has their own thing. But here they are. There's some ice in them. I guess from being in the freezer for a while. But I'm actually not going to follow the cooking instructions. So the problem here is I don't have tongs, and I'm too lazy to flip these nuggets over individually. You know, flipping 25 nuggets halfway, nah, I'm not going to do that. So what I'm actually going to do, and I developed this over the previous bag, and it comes out pretty tasty. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put them in when the oven's still off, and then turn it up to 425 and keep it there for 30 minutes. So that new timing gives it enough time to cook the inside. As the oven heats up, the inside gets cooked. So that's 1. 2, there's more heat over a longer period of time, so most of the water evaporates, so the nuggets aren't as soggy. And 3, it reaches 425. It reaches 425, I guess I'm approximating halfway through or so, or maybe 20 minutes in, and there's still 10 minutes left over to get that really nice crisp, the really nice golden brown crunchiness that I like. So that's what I did for the last bag, and that's what I'm going to do for this video. Alright, there they are, closing the oven. Going to go ahead and set it to 425. See you all in 30 minutes. Alright, welcome back. So 30 minutes have passed. I literally just got this out of the oven. You know, it's still very hot. Oh, I guess you can't see it here, but yeah. So 30 minutes, 425 starting from cool. If you look right here, you can see there's a wet spot. Right? I don't know if it's oil or water, but it makes the nuggets soggy. And I don't like that. And if I if I followed the instructions on the container of 10 or 11 minutes or so, at 425 right at the bat, right off the start, for sure a lot of these would be even soggier than they are now. Actually, even now, as we speak, some of them aren't, I don't know why, but these nuggets don't get as golden brown as the other nuggets that I've had. But yeah, a lot of these are crispy and nice, but this one on the edge here, I don't know if you can see that shiny spot on the camera right there. Very soggy. Not a big fan of that one, but that's alright. So most nuggets that I've had frozen at fast food places, whatnot, when you bite into it, you don't see the fibers. That's because they use ground up chicken mixed with whatever stuff they mix in there, right? You can YouTube how it's made chicken nuggets, or like a fast food chicken nuggets, how it's made, right? And you can see, but these nuggets though are actually contain fibers, muscle fibers, so they are unique in that sense. So I think these might be made from what's the term here? Little side pieces of meat left over whenever they carve out the breast and the other main parts of the chicken for retail. Instead of grinding them up to make uniform nugget pieces, they just, I guess, cover it with batter and fry them, right? So this is what we get. Let me see if I can take a little bite here and show you guys the fibers. Yeah, it's too hot. Just wave it around a bit for it to cool down. The breading looks nice though. The bottom side, right? You can see it's a bit shinier, brighter, because it's a bit soggier, but it's not that bad. It hasn't reached that golden brown and that most other nuggets get. And I don't know if they're supposed to be like this, or if my oven is just really old and crappy. I'm not really sure. So the chicken is cooled down a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that bite, try and show you guys the fibers. See there? I don't know if it's clear or not, but yeah, actual chicken fibers, actual chicken muscle, not just ground up chicken. Yeah, I think this should be clear right there. Right. But yeah, they're pretty good. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, have a good one.